Your legs are getting weaker, and you may not even notice it yet. One day, rising from a chair feels slightly tougher. A few months later, climbing stairs leaves you short of breath. And before you realize it, even brief walks feel like exercise. This isn't simply normal aging, it's known as muscle loss, quiet, progressive, and dangerously ignored. Here's the surprising truth. Your legs are the first to decline as you grow older. When that happens, your balance weakens, your independence slips away, and your risk of falling skyrockets. But here's the positive news. It's not too late to rebuild them. In fact, you can begin strengthening your legs right at your kitchen table. Because while movement matters, what you eat can be just as powerful and sometimes even more effective. In this video, we'll reveal 6 potent foods that can rebuild muscle strength, protect your bones, and keep your legs strong and steady well into later life. So, be sure to watch until the end, because the number 1 food on this list is something most seniors already have in their kitchen, but almost no one uses it the right way. Before we dive in, tell me, how old are you and where are you watching from? I'd love to know where our senior Vital Health family is tuning in from today. All right, let's get started. Here are 6 science-supported foods that can help keep your legs strong, flexible, and full of life. Starting with number 6, sweet potatoes, the fuel that keeps your legs active. When it comes to keeping your legs strong and steady, energy is everything. But not all energy works the same way. Some foods give you a fast boost, then leave you drained and sluggish. Sweet potatoes, on the other hand, provide long-lasting power that fuels your muscles for hours, keeping you walking, climbing, and standing tall. As we age, our muscles don't store or use energy as efficiently. That's why simple tasks like carrying groceries or walking uphill start to feel tougher. Sweet potatoes solve that naturally. Loaded with complex carbohydrates, they deliver steady fuel without blood sugar spikes or crashes. Inside that vibrant orange flesh are vitamin A, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds that repair muscle microtears, reduce cramps, and keep your movement smooth. Vitamin A speeds healing and eases soreness, while potassium stabilizes muscle contractions and hydrates tissues. Chronic inflammation is another hidden thief of strength. It slowly breaks down muscle fibers. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes fights that damage at the cellular level, keeping your legs flexible and pain-free. Even your gut plays a role. The natural fiber in sweet potatoes supports digestion and nutrient absorption, making sure your muscles get the fuel they need. Roast them, mash them, or add them to soups and salads. Their mild sweetness pairs with nearly anything, and every serving helps your legs carry you farther, one strong step at a time. Number 5, oats, the stamina builder for tired legs. Most people think of oats as a simple breakfast, but for seniors, they're one of the best foods for leg endurance and all-day energy. If your legs fade halfway through the day or feel heavy when climbing stairs, oats can help correct that. As we age, our muscles lose stamina because the body becomes less efficient at keeping blood sugar and energy levels balanced. Oats supply slow-releasing carbohydrates, giving your muscles consistent fuel for hours. No crashes, no afternoon fatigue, just steady strength for walking, gardening, and staying active. But oats do more than energize your muscles. They help rebuild them. Each serving provides plant-based protein to repair and maintain muscle fibers that naturally decline with age. That means better balance, stronger legs, and improved stability. They're also rich in iron and magnesium, 2 nutrients many seniors lack. Iron carries oxygen to your muscles, while magnesium helps them relax, preventing cramps, stiffness, and that heavy, tight feeling in your legs. If you've ever experienced sudden nighttime cramps, magnesium from oats can help reduce them naturally. Oats also support circulation by keeping blood vessels open and flexible, ensuring your muscles receive oxygen and nutrients for quicker recovery. Enjoy them warm in the morning, blended into smoothies, or baked into healthy snacks. However you choose to eat them, oats quietly power your muscles, helping your legs stay strong, steady, and ready for every step. Number 4, avocados, the flexibility and cramp-fighting superfood. Avocados aren't just a trendy food for seniors, they're one of the best ways to keep your legs strong, flexible, and comfortable. As we age, stiffness often creeps in, that dull ache when getting out of bed or tightness after sitting too long. Much of this comes from inflammation, which slowly wears down muscles and joints. Avocados combat that naturally. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the healthy fats that calm inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and keep joints supple. That means less stiffness, less soreness, and more freedom to move confidently. Even better, avocados are loaded with potassium, a mineral your muscles rely on to contract properly. They actually contain more potassium than bananas, helping prevent cramps, spasms, and nighttime leg tightness. If you've ever woken up with a painful calf cramp, low potassium could be the cause. Avocados also provide vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that repairs tiny stress points in your muscles, easing fatigue and keeping them strong. Plus, their healthy fats support circulation, making sure oxygen and nutrients reach your legs so they stay energized. Add avocado to toast, blend it into smoothies, mash it into guacamole, or eat it plain with salt and pepper. The key is consistency. Make it part of your weekly routine, and you'll feel the difference. Smoother movement, fewer cramps, and legs that stay flexible and alive for years to come. Number 3, berries, the muscle defender and longevity powerhouse. Aging is unavoidable, but losing power isn't. Every day your muscles battle unseen threats like free radicals, oxidative strain, and inflammation. You may not notice them, but you sense them. Tight knees, aching legs after mild movement, or persistent tiredness. That's where berries help. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are among nature's strongest allies. Loaded with antioxidants, they work like armor, combating oxidative damage that weakens muscles and delays recovery. The more regularly you eat them, the tougher your muscles become. Berries also lower chronic inflammation, the hidden driver behind rigid joints and sore legs, letting you move more smoothly and comfortably. Their rich vitamin C levels enhance collagen production, keeping your muscles, tendons, and joints strong, elastic, and youthful. And they don't just protect, they energize. Berries support healthy blood flow, boosting oxygen delivery to your leg muscles, so you feel less drained and bounce back faster. As an added benefit, the same antioxidants that guard your muscles also improve memory and focus, keeping your mind as active as your body. Add a handful to oats, yogurt, or smoothies, or enjoy them fresh. With every bite, you're nourishing strength, mobility, and vitality from the inside out. Sweet, simple, and effective, berries truly are nourishment for your body and brain. Before we move on to our final 2 on the list, if you're finding this video useful so far, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing tips that help you remain strong and active after 60. How has your health been lately? Tell us in the comments below. We enjoy hearing from you. And if you'd like to support our mission, click the Super Thanks button to send a small token. Every bit genuinely helps. Number 2, salmon. The muscle rebuilder and circulation enhancer. Every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your leg muscles quietly support your entire body weight. But with age, your body's ability to restore muscle slows down, which is why your legs may begin to feel weaker or more fatigued than before. That's where salmon helps, one of the most effective foods for rebuilding strength. It's rich in high-quality protein, giving your muscles the raw materials they need to repair and stay firm. But the real secret lies in its omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial fats that lower inflammation, enhance blood flow, and protect your joints from stiffness and discomfort. Inflammation is a major contributor to weakness and delayed recovery in older adults. Omega-3s calm that process, helping your legs move more freely and comfortably. They also improve circulation, keeping your blood vessels flexible, so oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles efficiently, resulting in more energy, less heaviness, and quicker recovery. Salmon even supports nerve health, keeping your movements sharp and steady, while its B vitamins, especially B12, help convert food into clean energy. Together, they fuel stamina, strength, and coordination. You don't need salmon every day. Just 2 to 3 servings a week can make a difference. Grilled, baked, or even canned with olive oil and lemon, each bite helps rebuild, recharge, and restore your legs from the inside out. Number 1. Eggs, the complete strength builder. If you ask doctors or nutrition experts which food best restores strength after 60, most will say the same thing. Eggs, small, simple, and affordable. Each one contains a complete package of nutrients your muscles rely on to stay strong and steady. As we age, we lose muscle faster than we rebuild it, a process called sarcopenia. You might feel it as slower movement or weaker legs. Eggs fight that by supplying high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the precise building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, which supports not only bone health but also muscle strength and coordination. Low vitamin D is common in seniors and can cause fatigue, weakness, and balance issues, and just 1 or 2 eggs a day can help restore it naturally. Inside each yolk, you'll also find choline, a nutrient that keeps your nerves and muscles communicating smoothly. That means quicker reactions, steadier steps, and better control. Plus, eggs are rich in B vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats, all helping protect muscle cells and sustain energy throughout the day. You don't need many. 1 or 2 eggs daily is enough. Scramble, boil, or mix them with vegetables for variety. The secret is consistency. Making eggs part of your routine can help you stay balanced, confident, and strong for years to come. Because sometimes the simplest foods truly create the strongest foundations. Now, many of you ask, do I need to eat all 6 of these foods every single day? Not necessarily. You can mix and match them throughout the week. What matters most is consistency, making these foods a regular part of your routine. Even a few servings of each across the week can make a noticeable difference in your leg strength and energy. When's the best time to eat them? Morning is ideal. Starting your day with nutrient-rich foods gives your muscles lasting fuel and helps stabilize energy levels. But if you prefer them later in the day, such as for lunch or dinner, that's perfectly fine too. Your body benefits whenever you nourish it. Can I eat them all together? Absolutely. Many of these foods complement each other beautifully. For example, oats with berries or salmon with avocado. The nutrients actually work better when combined, something nutrition experts call food synergy. And one more question we hear often. Do I need exercise for results? Light movement helps these nutrients work faster. Even simple leg stretches, short walks, or chair exercises will speed up your progress. Remember, nutrition fuels your body, but movement activates it. Together, they rebuild your legs from the inside out, helping you stay strong, stable, and independent for years to come. Now that we've revealed all 6 powerful foods, let's briefly review what we've covered today. Sweet potatoes power your muscles with long-lasting energy and help them heal more quickly. Oats deliver consistent strength, keeping your muscles active and free from cramping. Avocados lower inflammation, increase flexibility, and guard against uncomfortable stiffness. Berries restore muscle fibers and protect your joints thanks to their high antioxidant content. Salmon rebuilds muscle tissue, enhances circulation, and renews energy from deep within. And finally, eggs, the ultimate strength food, provide everything your legs need to remain steady, responsive, and strong. Together, these 6 foods create a natural shield against the muscle loss and weakness that arrive with aging. Every meal that includes 1 or more of them moves you 1 step closer to stronger legs, improved balance, and greater independence. If you've been feeling tired when climbing stairs, heaviness while walking, or tightness in your legs, know that it's not too late to make a change. Your body still responds to what you nourish it with. Begin today, and within weeks you may start to notice the difference. Lighter steps, steadier balance, and renewed confidence with each movement. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical guidance. Always speak with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet, especially if you're managing chronic conditions, taking medication, or recovering from an injury. Your safety and well-being always come first. Use this information as a reference, not a prescription. Remember, your legs are your foundation. When they remain strong, you remain independent, mobile, and in control of your life. Even small, consistent changes in your diet can lead to major improvements in how you feel every single day. So start with one change this week. Maybe add sweet potatoes to dinner, or mix some berries into your breakfast. Every bite is an investment in your future strength and freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing tips on staying active and healthy after 60. And if you'd like to support our mission, click the Super Thanks button below. Your generosity helps us continue creating valuable videos for you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 foods do you already eat? And which one will you start adding to your meals this week? Share it in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to begin their journey to stronger legs too. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving because every step you take is a step toward a longer, more vibrant,